mask cover your mouth and nose and sits snugly on your face. Wearing a mask is a mandatory requirement and provides us additional protection during this pandemic. It also applies for fully vaccinated travelers. You may take it off for a brief moment when eating, drinking, or taking medicine. Also required to wear your mask at all times when speaking with your cabin crew. This also applies when you're ordering food and beverages during this service. You reserve the right to report any repeated failure or refusal to comply with a mandatory requirement to wear a face mask to the relevant authorities in Bulgaria. Kindly stay in your selected seat during the entire flight. If you have to leave your seat for any reason, return as soon as possible. This allows a corona infection to be reported and documented correctly, which is important to everyone involved. Gäste Turbulenzen können auch zu jeder Zeit unerwartet auftreten. Da sind Sie aus Sicherheitsgründen verpflichtet, Ihren Sitzgriff geschlossen zu halten, sobald Sie den Sitzplatz eingenommen haben. Seien Sie auch bitte vorsichtig, wenn Sie eines der Ablagefächer öffnen, damit nichts herausfallen kann, und kontaktieren Sie auch umgehend Ihre Besatzung, sollten Sie Ihr elektronisches Gerät, sollte das zu rauchen beginnen, überhitzen oder defekt sein. Vielen Dank. Passengers, this turbulence may occur unexpectedly at any time, therefore you're required to fasten your seatbelt whenever you have taken your seat. Always be careful when opening the hatchbacks of your head items, but pull out